Hello everyone, are you ready for another episode of Growing Up Eating Rice Paper? Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please like, share, subscribe, and follow me. Thank you. So this episode will be rice paper wrapped in crispy pork belly. I make it crispy skin you saw earlier, and I cut it thin and it will go into rice paper. First I soak the rice paper under running water. Right now it's not pliable yet, but in minute or two it will be. Now for the vegetable, this is a romaine lettuce. Whatever vegetable you can obtain. I have a cilantro, a little mint, cucumbers. I like cucumber, it's very crunchy. And this is radish and carrot pickles. It will add the dimension to it. Now the stars, the crispy pork cut thinly, and now the shrimp. Remember to put the skin red colored at the bottom so that you can see the orange color from the outside of the rolls. And that's it. You just roll up. I don't put any rice noodle today. If you consider no carb, that is not completely, but little carb of rice paper. You did the same thing until you think that you can manage to devour how many rolls, then you done. See, put a little pork belly. I cut this smaller size, and again shrimp, and roll up. You can roll and fold in, or you can fold in and roll. It's totally up to you. Try to be tight, and that's it. For me two is enough because we cut it into 4. When you go to the restaurant, they will sell you